Hello, everyone. I'm Luca Fox with CaneAI Solutions. And today, I'm going to be going through Microsoft Copilot with you, giving you a pretty extensive rundown of how it works and how we'll use it for companies and to help companies using our business. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here, and I have Copilot set up. It is also fairly, I wouldn't say difficult to use, but there's a lot of great benefits to Copilot, and I enjoy using it, and I love to explain how it works. So if you want to go here, I'm going to start off by the agents. So you see on the sidebar here, when you get into Copilot, you have a little drop down menu that says Get Agents or Create an Agent. So I'm going to go press Create an Agent, and they give you kind of over here some templates of agents you can use, like a career coach, customer insights, idea coach. So you can play around with the templates and see if that's what you're looking for, or you can create your own agent. Pretty much just by giving a little description of what the agent is, what you want it to do, etc. So if I want to make an agent here, I'll go over to configure. I'm going to name it Kane AI, and my agent, I kind of just want him to deal with customer service, writing me emails. So I want to say, your job is to draft emails to my clients, automated, giving a brief newsletter of what's going on in our company. So I'm going to do that here. And the instructions are write one email a week giving updates from me on what's new in our company. So I'm going to do that here. I'm going to give it web search knowledge, give it your URL. So I'm going to go over to CaneAI Solutions and give it our website URL. And I'm going to create. It's going to just load a little bit. It's going to be creating my agent using AI. And after this is done, I will also run through some other things. So here I go. I have my agent. I'm going to go to my agent, and I'm going to tell my agent that this week we have an offer for 10% off our services. Additionally, we will be having a webinar on Chat GPT for free from one of our AI specialists. Now, CaneAI is going to be doing this, and they want me to add more details, but hello, they basically kind of give this, and the date is this Thursday. Now, draft. Here we go. It just literally written me an email here. Now all I have to do is copy that, paste it, and send it to our customers or potential anyone that is on our newsletter. I'm gonna start a new chat here. I'm gonna get out of our agent, go back to Copilot, and I'm just gonna briefly explain kind of what Copilot does. It's a assistant content creation, data analytics, for things like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Google, like Microsoft Sheets. So, if you're an accountant and you want to get some better like equations, or if you're doing a spreadsheet, perhaps um, it can help you with any sort of formulas you need. And if you just explain to it, it'll help you out with that. Um, It also can code. So if you're coding or you need coding, perhaps a website, or you're doing something with code, it can help you perform binary searches, as it says here. So if you want to do that, I'm not very familiar with coding, but if you have some sort of knowledge of it, you can kind of give it what you want. It'll write code for you, make your life more easier, as it is a tedious process. It also does image generation. Perhaps you want to make a flyer or something for your company. You can ask it to make an image. So make me a logo for a grilled cheese company. I just asked it that quick question. It's going to make me a logo. So it's going to try and create that. And then boom, automatically gives me an image. I'm not sure what it's doing here, but there isn't, it just, as you can see, it generated me an image. I am also going to say include the company. Oh, there it is, grilled cheese delight. Boom. So as easy as that, it just gave me a image automatically right to my computer, as easy as just typing it in, which saves you a lot of time if you were trying to create something from scratch or having to hire someone, which costs money. This could save you money. It also has an extensive knowledge search. So, for example, let's say I have an issue. I am an auto body dealership and I just bought 45 wheels. So I'm gonna say I bought 45 wheels for $50 a piece and sold them for 99.99. What is my total profit? So this is kind of an accounting question. Um, your total profit for selling 45 wheels is 22.49. This saves you a whole lot of calculation work. And, if you need to calculate profit margins, it kind of gives you a little bit of a suggestion using AI what you should do. So I just ask it, how do I calculate profit margins? Copilot's going to calculate. It's going to give you a step-by-step process on how to do it with the equations and everything. Say you didn't want to use this and you like pen and paper and trust yourself a little more. Up here we have new chat, so you can kind of clear everything. These are very cool because you kind of, if you're looking for something, it can just give you an idea. Maybe you are seeing something that you didn't know you had to do, but now you can look, see this, and you can do it. Um, we already created an agent, so I'm gonna press Get Agents, and there is a whole bunch of stores here. I'm going to use the web app and it just gives you a bunch of different agents that you may need. So you can scroll through that, look for that, and see if there's something that might be beneficial to your company. While this loads, I'll go back over here. And that's kind of the basis of what Copilot does. You can ask it, you can create an agent to be your personal assistant and say, hey, make me a calendar. I have this day, this day, and it'll make you an extensive calendar, kind of giving all of your day-to-day necessities all in one place, and you can easily just transport that into any Microsoft app that you have. Say, can you please put this in my Microsoft Word document, and it'll make a Microsoft Word for you. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, feel free to call us at our AI hotline, or you can email me directly from our website, caneaisolutions.com.